Hi, this is Sierra, and in this video I'll be talking about steps. So right now we have 3 steps in the flow that we've been working on throughout these tutorial videos. We have the first step, which is a scatter plot showing global life expectancy with year on the x-axis and country on the depth axis. And we have some connections, some filters, some colors applied here. Then we have a map of the world with each record as a dot. Each year is going to be plotted on each of the countries as a grid. So that's what that one looks like. And then we have the title page, but it's at the end because we made it more recently. So I'm going to explain a little bit. Obviously, you add a step here. This steps details panel. If you click to open that, you'll see these little move icons, and that will allow us to reposition that third step into the first step. So you can also set camera from here, and this is how you delete steps as well. A couple other settings are show step overlays, and what step overlays are is this rectangle text box that you can type into and essentially write your narrative here. So if somebody's going to access the flow with just a link and you want them to have some kind of context or background, this is a good place to put that. So you can have it show while in the editor, but also while in meetings. So that'll happen when you send someone the link and they're viewing a flow, they can still see this text. So I'm going to turn that off for now. But yeah, so now our flow is in the right order, looks nice, and let's go into preview mode and check it out. So that happened because the previous perspective of this swarm was actually the globe. So let me show you. See how it animates to the globe? So there's something we can do there if we go to this previous step, and we're going to go to this life expectancy, and we're going to turn on advanced, and then we're going to click perspective. Let's do maybe default or perspective 1. Let's change perspective 1 to just be a random and have all of the sizes be 0. So it's going to animate from one center point into the scatter plot on the next step. So, alright, that looks cool. And then let's go back into preview mode, check it out. Animating from the next step, that looks super nice. Let's go on to our final step. And then it animates onto the globe. Cool, so that looks super good. It's obviously a very incomplete in terms of data story, but as far as functionality for the editor goes, it's looking pretty nice so far. The next videos will be on labels, interactions, and all of the different axes settings, so we can get these axes a little bit more cleaned up. So look forward to those videos coming out shortly.